Greetings from 743 Marlinspike Drive, Pensacola, Florida 32507. This is in the Emerald Shores subdivision. Take a little gander around at the yard and the neighborhood. Nice climbing tree. The front yard, provide a little shade for your parking, as well as two-car garage. Lovingly maintained. Some already established garden. A welcoming little front porch here. So just want to take a peek inside. Here in the foyer. Waiting for the screen door to shut. Got it. Okay. So upon entry, immediately to the right is your formal dining room. Big windows, tons of natural light pouring in. Coat closet there, and to the left, we have this awesome big open kitchen. Generous island, tons of cabinetry, this marble look, countertops, and a pony wall overlooking the living room with your eat-in section here. Smooth surface stove, pantry, all stainless appliances, tons more windows. Loving the open feel here. Big living room, got the natural light from the double doors here. Vaulted ceilings here in the living room as well, and plant ledges. Master bedroom, tons of space in here. Plenty of room for your king-size bed and bedroom suite, plus enough room to comfortably move around. Which brings us into the master bathroom. Double vanity, jetted garden tub, walk-in shower. And double walk-in closets. There's one for you on either side of our big tub. Woo woo. His and hers. Split floor plan, so we're going to jet across. Take a look at the other two bedrooms. An additional bath. Additional bedroom number 1. Additional bedroom number 2. And full bathroom with shower tub combo. We've got a linen closet here in the hallway. Heading out these French doors. See what we're cooking with here. We have got a screened-in porch overlooking the backyard, fully privacy fenced. Got a number of ornamentals out here. Just ready to flourish and do their thing. Already I can identify bridal wreath. Dogwood, some bottle brush. Really lovely space, not too much to maintain, but still still plenty of room to frolic if you so wish. We've got gutters, we've got architectural shingles. This property is turnkey ready for you and your little family, or you alone, whatever your situation may be. So come and check out 743 Marlinspike Drive in Pensacola, Florida, 32507. Built in 1998, square foot of 1804, and an acreage of .2367.